ọmọdé gbọ́n, àgbà gbọ́n ni a fi dá Ilé-Ifẹ̀. This means children are wise, elders are wise, is how Ilé-Ifẹ̀ was established.
This basically means the wisdom of both the young and old was how Ilé-Ifẹ̀ started. Ilé-Ifẹ̀ is the ancestral land of the Yorùbá people. Have you heard this proverb before? It tells us the importance of everybody, whether young or old, in building our society. Children can also offer ideas if adults ask us for our point of view.
For example, we wanted to go on holiday this summer, so our parents asked us for where we wanted to go. We did lots of research online and we all decided to go to Turkey. It was amazing and it was fun. So if you want your parents to ask you for your advice, you can tell them, ọmọdé gbọ́n, àgbà gbọ́n ni a fi dá Ilé-Ifẹ̀.